Alrighty, so what I have here is a freshly installed FreePBX13 machine running PJSIP. I've just turned it on and it looks like this is a VMware thing where it has decided it doesn't want to reconnect to the video. Let's open the VMware client up again, open console. There we go, that's better. Sorry about that. Okay, so all I have done with this machine was install it. There's our IP address. So here is a web browser window. 107. Gmail.com. Got to fix the theming of that button. There we go. So it'll ask me whether I want to activate. No, I do not. No, thank you. And don't want free SipStation either. Okay. So I have a brand new machine. That machine's been up for a minute. Let's just make sure that I'm not lying. Here's a module admin. We'll check online to make sure nothing is old or the wrong version or anything. Okay, so everything is enabled and up to date. System admin beta, don't care. Yep, everything else perfectly standard. Okay, let's add an extension. We're going to add a PJSIP. Extension number is going to be 444 because that's an easy one. G722 Test. Next. And finish. We don't want anything else. Awesome. So, microsip. There it is. Now, I actually was messing with this before. Let's just make sure this is correct. Put the password in. Oh, I didn't actually save it. Let's save it first. That'll help. Over here, show endpoints. There it is. There, not in use. We will save it. It's online. And there we go. Awesome. Those four, just so you can see what's happening. This should be a G722, G721U law, I believe, is our default. Let's find out.
You are about to enter an echo test. In this mode, everything you say will be repeated back to you just as soon as it is received. The purpose of this test is to give you an audible sense of the latency between you and the machine that is running the echo test application. You may end the test by hanging up or pressing the pound key.
So just testing, there's our audio. Works both ways. Hang up. Sorry about that echo. Okay, so now we're going to go into, this should just work as it is. Where is G722? Submit. What? Oh, that's iSymphony. I don't want it, it's part of iSymphony. Okay, so apply. We'll make sure it has changed. Endpoint.conf. Yep. Wonder where that is actually saved. I can't remember. Well, let's just try it, see what happens first. Star 43, call.
You are about to enter an echo
Definitely
test.
sounds
In
different.
this mode, everything you say will be repeated back to you just as soon as it is received. The purpose of this test is to give you an audible sense of the latency
And there
between
you will
you
see
and the machine that is running the echo
G722.
test application. You may end the test by hanging up or pressing the pound key.
You see that transcode.
transcode. Oh, sorry, I better hang this up.
That transcoding there is because the G722 audio prompts aren't installed by default, so that's mildly irritating. I'll have to investigate that. But I'm sorry to say, it works. I don't know what your problem is. Sorry.